Much nicer afternoon on Sunday. Tracking a few showers though this morning. We've had yet another cold front go through. A pretty weak front stalling out to our south out across parts of West Tennessee and back into Arkansas. It is producing some light rain showers out across northwest Tennessee. Most of these have been confined to areas south of the Kentucky state line. But Martin, Tennessee picking up on a little bit of light rain. Farther northward, you can almost see the north flow there getting picked up on radar. Of course, closer to that boundary, temperatures are much milder this morning. Union City to Murray right now at 63. Meanwhile, the farther north you go, the colder the air gets on the other side of that boundary. Right now it's 45 in Carbondale, 46 in Cape, Harrisburg at 52 still, Mount Vernon still at 51. 52 also in Sikeston, 55 at this hour in Kennett, Missouri. And again, you can see the 60s not too far to our south. Live view from Metropolis looking back towards the south this morning. Some of those showers still about 3-4 counties south of where we are on this camera view, but looking back you can see Harris Casino though, and you can also see the Ohio River in the distance. Today's going to be a fairly mild day. The next few days our temperatures still above average for this time of year. A little breezy this afternoon. Those winds will be out of the north and the east in the wake of that cold front, but tracking some very warm weather for Wednesday and Thursday. We're once again talking temperatures into the 70s. Enjoy it. If you need to get some things done outdoors, maybe some yard work cleanup, maybe even get some Christmas decorations up, you probably want to get it done over the next few days because some big changes are on the way towards the end of the week and especially into this coming weekend. There's that cold front to our south, high pressure building in from the north. That's going to keep the rain to our south for the most part. This afternoon we're talking high temperatures topping off into the mid 60s. We'll see a fair amount of cloud cover today. A few breaks in the clouds though, and once again a northeast breeze around this afternoon. This evening 8 o'clock we're dropping back into the lower 50s. Again, rain stays south of our region and we stay dry. What you're seeing there get picked up is likely not making it to the ground. Tuesday morning waking up in the mid 40s, and then Tuesday afternoon maybe a degree or so warmer than today. Most of us into the mid 60s across southern Illinois, some lower 70s into Kentucky and the Missouri boot heel. Big ridge is going to set up right across the central U.S. towards Wednesday. That is going to bring in some very warm air, but it is short-lived. That ridge breaks down, shifts eastward, and here we go into the end of the week, first part of the weekend, and some very cold air, coldest of the season so far on the way. So 65 today, 66 tomorrow, and then there's the big jump. We'll make our way into the mid to upper 70s on Wednesday, staying on the warm side of things Thursday, and then we start to see some of the cooler air Friday. These are afternoon high temperatures, not lows. Saturday and Sunday afternoon highs in the lower 40s. In fact, morning temperatures are going to dip back below freezing. By Saturday morning, we're in the upper 20s. Sunday morning, we're in the lower 20s. Afternoon highs, low 40s this weekend, and staying in the 40s through at least the first half of next week.
All right.
Big changes.
Oh boy, thank you, Nick.